with your ball? What you doing with your ball? Are you trying to chew on it? Are you trying to chew on it, Ellie Bear? Yes, you are trying to chew on it. What do you think of that toy? What do you think of that toy? Yeah, getting the hang of it? No, I don't think it's meant to go in your eye. You could maybe put it on your nose. Look at you wave it around. Almost a pro. Almost a pro. Can you find it to get on your own? No, I don't think we're quite that advanced. You want to blow a raspberry? You want to blow a raspberry? Did you do a smile? There's your raspberry. Good job. You do another one? Good job. There you go. There you go. Yeah. You want to do one more? Good job, Ellie. Oh, you're going to keep them up now, huh? Good job. Do one more?